it's your girl Mel and welcome back to my channel. Today we brought the ginger back, or the copper per se. I have this beautiful unit from Klaiyi Hair. This is a glueless unit. It's a 20-inch reddish brown kinky curly wig, and it is giving what it's supposed to give. I was so excited to try this out because, as you guys know, I used to have copper hair, but I dyed my actual hair and I've missed it, but I'm not gonna color my hair when I'm pregnant, and also like the maintenance was just a lot. So when I saw this unit and I'm like, this literally resembles the installs I used to get. I was like so excited. So I'm really grateful that they sent this to me, and I was like so excited to film this and share with you guys. I am close to popping this baby out, but I'm like, let me share this unit with you guys before I put some braids in and prepare for my delivery. It is a lace front. I did cut the lace off already because it came with the lace. Obviously it's a lace front. It wasn't pre-cut, but it is glueless, so you have that option of just throwing it on, which I did. I did not glue this down. I know these type of wigs have been like extremely popular, especially during the summer when like the glue's not gonna hold anyway and no one like really wants anything necessarily permanent on their head like that. So the glueless wigs are just perfect for the summer. The hairline's already pre-plucked, the knots are bleached. It's literally ready to go for you. All you have to do is put this bad boy on and style it a little, of course. But yeah, just put this bad boy on. Anyway, enough talking. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video. Okay, so this is the packaging it comes in. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of goodies that they sent with it, because you know these companies, they always love to give you extra stuff alongside the hair. Okay, so I got 2 packs of wig caps, a band to hold it down. It's glueless, but I might use a little bit of mousse to hold it, but even if you want to glue it down as well, this band really helps to just like hold everything in place. 2 clips for styling purposes, just to kind of pin everything back, and a set of lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig cap that they provided me with, because why not? And these are the good ones too. We're gonna go, my edges have grown out so much. I don't know if that's gonna be an issue. They're so dark. Okay. So I'm gonna go and get the wig. I just washed it out just with a little bit of shampoo because I am gonna fully style it, and I want it to be like fresh and clean. It's easier to style that way than when it's fresh out the box. And also like you know, it's been on the road, on boats, I don't know where it's been. So I wanna make sure the wig is like pretty clean before styling and like touching my head and whatnot. So yeah, let me go and grab that. Very, very pretty. I'm super excited to try this wig because, as you guys know, I used to have copper hair, but I grew that out and went back to black hair. So I'm like, this is literally the same exact copper that I used to have. So I'm glad that like I have something where I can switch it up temporarily without permanently altering my hair, which I should have thought of doing before dyeing my hair. So this is the front. As you can see, we have lace, and then we have the band in the back, and it has 3 clips total, 1 to the back and 2 to the front. The lace isn't pre-cut, so we're gonna put it on our head, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off while it's on my head. We can cut the lace off of the back. This dries really, really fast too, because I literally just washed it and put it outside and it did not stay wet for long. This is it on initially, so we're gonna go ahead and cut the lace off. I may do this off camera because I don't want to mess it up, but it's pretty easy. You just pin this back and then you're just gonna cut around your hairline. So this is the unit after I cut the lace off. I haven't even applied any foundation or anything, but right here looks really seamless already. Just right here, as you can see, my hairline comes down so low at the side, so that's annoying. But I might apply a little bit of mousse and just kind of like sit this alongside my hairline as I go in to style the rest of it. As we go and like style the rest of the hair. Saturate the hair with some more water, use the mousse, detangle, and finger coil. diffusing. The hair is pretty much dry. I'm gonna go ahead and take this band off, and I'm deciding if I want to shape it up or not a little before pulling apart the curls. Take this off. Okay, a lot better. A lot flatter on the head now. It's completely diffused. I didn't cut it yet because I wanted you guys to see it like not cut, just like, you know, its natural length, and it's pretty cute. You can go ahead and shape this up, but the color is really vibrant. Okay, so I wanted to do a little review before wrapping up this video about this hair, just my personal opinions. I'd say one thing I love, the color is very vibrant, and the color does not transfer. I don't know how they did that, but when I had copper hair before and I would dye my bundles copper, a lot of the times the color transferred once I washed it, but I used a white towel and the color did not transfer, so that's great. And as you can see, I have a white top on right now and nothing's transferring, baby. Although the hair is dry, but still. The hair dries super fast. I washed it and I put it outside for probably like 10 minutes and it already started drying, even diffusing. I think I diffused for about 10 to 15 minutes. The diffuse time was really short. So that's a bonus for me because I don't like hair that takes like way too long to dry because it just defeats the purpose of having a glueless wig. Shedding, because I know that is something that is very important. The shedding was very minimal. I wouldn't say it's like any more or any less than other wigs I've gotten in the past. You are gonna get some shedding with this over time though, and probably minimal tangles because the hair is processed. So compared to when you have like black hair that's like not processed, once the hair is processed, it's going to automatically shed because it's no longer virgin hair. Like it's been through processing. But I don't wear wigs every day. I wear them once in a while. So you'll still get like a good amount of usage from it, but don't be alarmed if you see like minimal shedding. I would say to condition a lot more. Colored hair needs like more conditioning, just more maintenance than if you had like virgin hair or just like a regular jet black bust down unit. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts if you have any questions about this unit. But as usual, I will have everything for you in the description box. The link, the info, every single thing you need. But yeah, thank you guys for watching and always supporting my videos. Love you, and I will see you guys next week.